Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario 64 on your Chromebook. Many classic games, like this beloved title, can be enjoyed on modern hardware through emulation. Chromebooks, with their versatile operating system, offer a few excellent ways to dive into retro gaming. We will cover two main approaches, ensuring you can pick the best option for your setup and preferences. Get ready to revisit the Mushroom Kingdom. The first and simplest method involves using web-based emulators. There are many online platforms that allow you to play Super Mario 64 directly in your browser. You just need to navigate to one of these websites, often found with a quick search, and then upload your game's ROM file. This approach is fantastic because it requires absolutely no software installation, making it incredibly convenient for a quick gaming session. For a more robust experience, you can leverage your Chromebook's built-in Linux environment. First, enable Linux Beta in your device settings. Once Linux is set up, you can install powerful emulators such as RetroArch, which supports a wide range of systems including the N64. This method provides more customization options, potentially better graphics, and often smoother gameplay, especially for demanding titles. It's a fantastic option for dedicated retro gamers. To ensure the best possible Super Mario 64 experience, consider a few tips. Using a dedicated game controller, either wired or connected via Bluetooth, will significantly enhance your gameplay over keyboard controls. Also, close any unnecessary applications running in the background to free up valuable system resources. For optimal performance, your Chromebook should ideally have at least 4 GB of RAM and a capable processor. Enjoy your adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.